Hello guys, hello people. It is not a small sorting. Hello my country people. Hello my country people. Me una come hear matter. Me una come hear story. Make una gather here, make una come hear story. Oh, not be small something. Not be small something. This baby mama Oghogho matter with Eliab of K.O family. Now I carry call for now the update. The update now know say they don't start their wahala again. A brother and I cause this one though. Oghogho brother and I cause this one. I get secret where I go leak. I don't get secret where I go leak. Now I take dive into this matter. Now I take dive into this matter ever since they dig up. So right now waiting they be say Oghogho don't call Eliab. Now no say any call Oghogho they call Eliab. Eliab they record them. They put up for record. They go post them. He go put out for record, he go post am. Me, I don't tire for this kind of thing. I don't know whether if social media not they exist, whether they're not going to do everything off social media. This is your son, for Christ's sake. Not everything we put on social media. Sometimes in life, we still have to have our privacy out of social media. Everything is not about content. Everything is not about making money out of it. There are certain things you need to do. Do it out of social media. But our nowadays things, whatever we are doing now, they put on social media. Very soon now, they also say they don't even they put their knacking video for social media. So guys, I go play the conversation between Eliab with Oghogho, the baby mama, that is the mother of Junior, what they call Oghogho, wey dey Nigeria, as if they talk about the school of say you don't get house, so you don't change environment, say you won't change school. But the one that caught my attention is said he needs 600,000, 500 to 600,000 again to furnish a junior room, not the small sorty, to furnish junior room. So guys, let me play the conversation.
I bring you all greetings from K.O family. Trust you guys are doing great. Happy New Week. Oghogho just wrote me that she has something very important to discuss with me. As I promised my followers and my fans that I will always keep them posted in regards to Junior, because you guys have been so supportive ever since this issue has been on ground. So I truly appreciate you guys, and I promise you that I will always keep you guys posted. So let me call Oghogho right now and hear what she got to say. She's not picking.
Hello?
Yeah, Oghogho, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm okay.
So how is Junior?
It's fine.
Okay, I saw your message this morning that you have something important to discuss with me.
Yeah. We just moved in here and it's a new environment and all that, and school has resumed. So Junior has to resume school. So I've gone around making research and trying to get a good school which you can start up with. And so far, the one I was able to get, like, see their performance and everything, they said 300,000 for a start. So I had to, that was why I sent you a message. And also, Junior, his room is still under furnished, like nothing is there. So, and also I need money for that.
Sorry guys, I think I don't use cartoon to finish my phone
like,
for me.
500-600.
For
Maybe
what?
furnish his room.
500 or 600,000?
To furnish Junior's room.
To furnish Junior's room.
Yeah.
For the school, I'm not going to argue with you. For the school, yeah, I'm in support for him to resume school maybe tomorrow. Since you've made the research and you said 300,000, I will do that tomorrow or today. But for that furnishing Junior's room, I don't really know. So you could not even buy small bed for Junior in his room?
Small bed.
Yeah, you couldn't
Your
buy
son
bed.
should be lying on small bed. I don't understand.
Oghogho, you get wahala, eh?
Not be small bed, 19 in one sleep. Sure, you want sleep for family bed? You not to buy small
I
bed
have
for.
to tell you something, make it be say, you know, react or stuff like that. How you say me lie down for a small bed, me lie down for ground? He's going to make a bed. I want to make a bed for him. Make him come put foam for ground, they lie down. Eh? How much to make a bed for Junior? If you go online and make your research, you will see. Making bed now is less than 200 or thereabouts. Eh? So you want him to be lying down on the floor?
Now what for you? Now what for you? Yeah, I thought.
Space for you, that, all those things.
Oh, me, I say you don't buy bed for my son. I don't understand you at all. So make I bring 600,000 or 500,000 again just to furnish my junior room. I don't understand you. I don't understand you at all.
I don't get. Is it too much?
It is too much.
Eh? Is it too much for your son? It's the best stand. Before when I buy for an ground, they make it lie down for ground.
If you don't buy phone for already, then how much is bed? Bed not now you need 600,000. I don't understand you.
He needs bed. He needs foam. He needs other things.
But you said
you don't buy foam now.
You buy phone for her now. You say you buy phone for her.
He gets small foam, but it's on the floor. He needs a bed stand that he can place the foam on it.
Okay.
He needs a reading table, chairs, all those things to be in this room.
I don't have that money for now, but for his school, then I'll send the money for his own school.
Sorry, my people. They don't use cartoon to finish my phone.
No, that furnish of 600. I'm sorry, my dear. I don't have that money. I don't have.
You don't have. You want him to be on the floor, to be lying down on the floor.
Are you lying down? Are you lying down on the floor?
No, you should be lying down on the floor now, on the floor like that, Abby.
I don't know. I don't know if it's. I don't know. I don't really know what to say, Oghogho. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really know what to say.
You don't know what to say. Eh? Your own kids over there, are they lying on the floor?
What is wrong with you? Why must you refer to my children here? I've warned you. Don't ever try that next time. What is wrong with you?
Which one is that one again? It's a simple question. It's a harmless question.
That's what.
Eh?
Then what does my kids get to do with Junior right now?
I'm just asking you now.
Please, I don't like that question.
This is your son, right? Is it not?
He's my son, yes.
Then what are you not saying? You like the fact that he is sleeping on the floor? His phone will be on the floor sleeping?
They would have made provision for it. Oghogho.
I should make provision how? Me, I shall know that this conversation now is coming out on your page. Definitely.
I don't understand what you mean.
No problem. Yes, now. You will put it out there, definitely. I know this one you do so you don't record down. For you to don't come in and I say you message. You don't this conversation we'll get now, you don't the record down. But it's what it is though. Let me ask you, you like make it say you're picking lie down for ground, make foam, they ground, make it lie down. Based on what your papa be.
Which one you Papa be? I don't understand you. But at least from that 2 million, you cannot just keep talk, make it not like I don't know what I want to. At least now, you feel buy phone from your own elder brother. You know, if you buy bed, you know, that's your grown-up brother. I don't want to jump into my privacy, but for now, I don't get money for that junior's room to furnish anything. I can only send the money for the school fees. That is just what I have to say. I can only send the money for the school fees, the school things, yeah.
You don't get money to furnish your room?
No, I don't have. No, I don't have.
So that's what you have to say about this?
Yeah, I don't have. I don't have.
No, there's no cause for alarm though. There's no cause for alarm. But I just make I tell you, you understand. I let you know.
I don't understand.
If that is what you want, fine, no problem. If that's how you say it should be, there's no problem. Okay?
No problem at all. I'll send you the school fees. I'll send you the money for your school today.
So guys,
Please send me your account number. Let me forward the money to you.
You don't try.
For his room, I don't have money. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No problem, Nana. So I'll come. Alright.
Okay, bye. Guys, no, we don't come with our trouble again. This time around, I'm not going to take advantage of it. So, kindly share this video and drop your comments on the comment section.
So guys, what happened? Yeah, it's okay. So guys, now don't hear waiting Oghogho talk. Oh, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, go and pick your pandemic, put it in my bag. So guys, now don't hear waiting Oghogho talk. Oghogho, they demand 500,000 to 600,000 where they want to furnish a junior room. So Oghogho, with the problem where you and your brother they face, do you think cloth wrapper? This one is too small. Go and bring wrapper. Go and bring my wrapper. Go and bring my wrapper. This one is too small. With the problem where you and your brother they face, where they say your brother say may you give him 500,000. Do you think Eliab will carry 500,000 to 600,000 give you say you want to use and furnish his son room? It is not possible because he will not give. If I dare his shoe, I not go give because I go feed that say you won't carry that money to settle your brother. And Oghogho, one thing I want to advise you, if you just use less that money where they give you without not starting anything little, do inside that 2 million where they give you, my dear, you get it wrong. Because you not go expect say Eliab go they bring money for you every time, make you take they do all those things where you they do so. You not go expect. At least your room, as you don't buy things put for house small, you go keep little money, you go use and start business because your house rent go expire. When that your house rent expire, are you going to call K.O family again? Mind you, let me remind you, Oghogho, they gave you that money. They didn't say specifically say use and take rent house. They use it to settle you. So if you put out for house, you not take inside. They start little as it go be business where you gonna do. They join this your social media, your Facebook matter where you they do. This your platform where you they run. At least you're supposed to get little business joiner from that 2 million. But if you just finish that money, sit down for inside money till evening without doing a little business out of that money, my dear, you get it wrong. I swear to God, you get it wrong. And I want to talk something, Mr. Eliab. As you say, you need all those things for your son room. If I were you, I will not send that money to her. Mbano. I will not do it. I don't support such thing. I know they support such thing. What you will do, they have a lot of furniture people for Nigeria there. A lot of companies that can come in and decorate your son room and give him a beautiful room or a nice room. Since he phone dey grand, say he don't buy phone for a phone dey grand. He say he need the chair, he need this one, he need this one. Just contact any furniture company where you know for Nigeria. You can get them from through internet, all those things, all those stuff. So that they will go decorate, they will tell you how much they will take decorate your son room. Then you pay direct into their account. Just call Oghogho. This is the address. This is number of so people. Give them your address. They won't bring things come for Junior. They go furnish Junior room for Junior. If I were you, that is what I would do for my son. For him to live comfortable. Instead of your room till day, nothing there inside. Just do that for the boy. But you sending that money, 500 or 600, don't do it. Not send them. Not send Oghogho that money. That first one, I supported you. I fight for Oghogho. Say, yeah, help Oghogho. Settle Oghogho. Help Oghogho. But this one, where Oghogho did so, don't do it. Not give them. Pay the school fees. Pay the school fees. Then, secondly, go Go search, do research from inside internet, inside social. You go see the people for those states there. Many of them now, they are not doing online things now. Anything they are doing, they put it online. You go see them. They will talk to them. They go tell you the estimate, the amount where they go take decorate your son room for you. Put bed, small television, all those things. They go do it for your son. They will come decorate. All these interior decoration people. We go just tell them what you list for you. Tell them, then they go put that for carry and come for her. They decorate junior room for her. Oghogho wants to use that money to settle a brother. Don't give Oghogho that money. Don't give him. That 500 or 600,000 where you say they request for you, he wants to use it to settle a brother. Because if you the brother don't get this kind of quarter, say they don't get this kind of quarter, where brother they demand money for him. They demand money for him. They fall and they fight because of this money. I was say, okay, if half of that money requested, at least find something, give him a furniture junior room. At least junior need to have little television inside his house, inside his room, at least reading chair, bed and any little all those kind of things where we say go get for inside a room. I go say, okay, send Mr Eliab finds little for, but for this one, Mr Eliab of K.O family, don't give Oghogho any time apart for the school fees. Apart for the school fees. Because Oghogho won't carry that money, give her to a brother. Oghogho, my dear, Europe no easy you. Make I tell you. Even if they get the content they are creating, they crack their head till they create them. They crack their head till they create them. They not just get up, sleep, wake up, just they create the content. Content, they crack your head before you create it. To talk alone for myself, you reason before you talk. You go sit down, reason, waiting I go talk for this video before you talk. Because everything, all of them is still content. The one that they do too, now still content. That's why now they do and say na fight, now they fight. My dear sister, life is not like that. You use your sense for everything. Even if what you demanded was truth, say na truth, now you dey talk. You really need that money for junior room. With the situation of things where we dey see for social media, where they say you and your brother they do. You and your brother they do. Nobody will support you for Eliab to give you that money. That is the simple truth. Is it not just 1 month plus when they give you 2 million? You not go find little business, small thing where you go they do, my dear. If you just squander that 2 million in terms of say you they rent house, you they do this one, it's a very shameful thing. That means you don't know how to manage as a woman. But remember, your ass rent will expire. Don't come and hang it on K.O family because they not send you message. Now you go carry big house. I wish you carry a 2 rooms and parlor. Your brother not go come that house, come they fight you. No, because 1 room for you, 1 room for junior. He not go come shocking himself for junior room. He not go come they fight you because you went ahead to take a big apartment. So if he has a space for him to stay there, that is why he bring the bag and baggages, come they disturb you there. But I wish you listen to advice where people they tell you, I don't know the kind of content you want to create. Maybe they look K.O family as their house big. You forget say the house where they stay at their house, they are not paying rent. That is why you say you want to go and take big house. But as you suppose somebody where get sense, we're supposed to do, we know how to manage. You're what you supposed to carry now 2 rooms and parlor. That is what you're supposed to carry. 2 rooms and parlor with your kitchen and toilet and everything inside. Now you're supposed to carry. That house where you carry, where you open out that there's all the room, house master, this or master. It's too big. That house will be very expensive for you, which I know. It's going to be very expensive for you. When time reach now, you start making problem with K.O family again. When you rent that apartment, you day 1, junior day 1. Then you furniture, you small. You don't need to hurry. Little by little. First of all, what will be inside your room? Television. You put chair, okay, fine. You buy mattress and kitchen equipment when I'll tell they cook, because that one is the first important thing. Then you use the other money to start up a business. Running your business from the little profit you are making, you'll be saving and be furnishing your room little by little. Life starts little by little. You just jump to a higher level when you know you are not capable of maintaining that higher level where you go jump into. This life na jejeje. Person no dey run pass his shadow. Na jejeje. You better live to your capacity than living a life that you know you cannot maintain. Live to your capacity. So guys, now the update be that one is demanding another 600,000. The school fees, that one is 30. And I need to change the son's school. I need to pay the school fees. That one is understandable. So people they say make it contact the school, this and this. You don't need to contact the school. You don't need that one. Even if he had small jara put on top, now more that be, he need no problem. Now no need to drag them or go detail about that. But the one that I'm concerned is that 500 to 600,000. Mr. Eliab, don't give it to Oghogho. If you want to furniture your son's room, that you want your son to lie down and be comfortable in his room, please contact people that furniture house. Interior decorators, they're full Nigeria now. That is, this time around, people not they to decorate their house by yourself. Now interior decoration, they can't do one for them. Contact them and ask them how much they will decorate junior room and everything they will buy into junior's room. Just only call Oghogho, give them their address. They will bring things for you. They will come, they will decorate it. You don't finish. If I were you, that is my advice for Mr. Eliab. So that he will not say, Junior, your papa, they suffer you. Your papa children, they live fine. Then they suffer you for a year. You put phone for grand, all those kind of things. But give Oghogho, even if Oghogho fight you for nothing, don't give Oghogho that money. Because Oghogho won't carry that money, give am to a brother. Now the simple truth, they tell you so. So guys, share this video when you come across this video. Drop your opinion on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this Oghogho and K.O family saga where they don't start again. So this wahala where they don't start again. So, and secondly, Mr. Eliab, recording every conversation you are making with your baby mama is something I see that is not good. We have to be truthful in this aspect. Not everything about Junior will be online. Please try your best. Not everything. You hold nobody explanation. You know nobody daily reports that you come and be reporting about your son, how your son will be. Please, you are a man. Take this. If you can take this off social media, it will be better. Not every conversation you and Oghogho will have for your son that you put on social media, put it out there. Please. Please and please. So guys, if you come across this video, do not forget to share, like and drop your comments on this video. Please help me to share this video. Like this video, please. Put your thumbs up for me. Put your love there for me. See you, my people. From me to you now. Bye bye.